this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're looking for the perfect pillowcase, stop looking around because you have found the right ones here by JIMOO. These are the 2-pack 100% mulberry silk pillowcase. You're going to see the beautiful quality. This is super gentle on your skin and on your hair. They are so well made, and I love this hidden zipper as well. These are perfect, especially if you're trying to avoid creasing when sleeping, or if you're trying to avoid frizz or breakage, or even minimize split ends while sleeping. I really love these pillowcases. They are high quality, and they also come in a variety of beautiful colors. This would make the perfect gift. So if you're looking for a pillowcase that is going to benefit your hair, your skin, and even help you regulate body temperature, definitely check these out by JIMOO. They are beautiful, they are soft, and they are high quality.
I promise you won't regret getting this pillowcase by JIMOO. You are going to love it, and that is my point of view.